Bula! Bula! I'm Eroni Bole, and I am proud to be a Bulanaire. It's in your heart. It's right there. You can allow it to come over you, or you can just ignore it every day. Smile is one of the biggest influences that bring happiness to everybody. No matter what you go through, you don't smile and every door's gonna be closed. And you'll be a sad soul in that street. We call them the children of the sun, our little Fijian kids. They don't worry about what they eat. They don't worry what they're gonna have today. They wake up in the morning and they understand. Happiness is always be here. If you allow it to come in, it'll be always with you. And you have to share it. If you don't share it, then it'll go away. Being alive. If you think about it quietly deep in a sense, you wake up in the morning and you are alive. That's where the Bula comes in. Bula generally means life, good health, but being alive. We believe the big you say, the long you live. The little you say, mate, you got 2 days to go. It's very simple. Just a big smile and say Bula. Bula is life, Bula is love, Bula is family, Bula is everything, guys, and Bula is happiness! We put the word, heart feeling, heart, heart, heart. Totally sure when they make movie in the snow, they don't have to do this, huh?